Sister Mark. Sister Mark.
Come in, Fansa.
You're not going to Bible study.
Yes, yes.
Come. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good evening, Mr. Fanso. Good evening. I'm
Good evening,
coming
ma.
here.
Come,
Good
come,
evening.
come.
Oh, well, I have to carry a little dinner for one of my church Sister Celine. She's not feeling too well, so I'm going to stop off and give her this little food I have here. Okay then, Sister Mac, I have a story I fi tell you.
And so you're full of story.
When me in a picnic, you know, Sister Mac, I live down at Brentford. You used to have two farmer man. One name is a Hoodlam and one name is a James. So the two of them would have left out in the morning, say about 5:30, to go a bush. But any day, the Kingston farmer them a come, fi come buy goods, fi carry back a Kingston. Mr. Hoodlam would have say to Mr. James, me I beg you go and left me here. Because you know me can't take the miserableness with for me wife a yard. So me I go there bush a go and hold off little. But ma, pity you no know how we Mr. Hoodlam have up in him brain there you know. So Mr. James now would have go home. And when he go back a bush the morning, the two best plantain and banana when one fi sell in Kingston people them. Me dear ma, he gone. So him now would a complain to Mr. Hoodlam about it. And Mr. Hoodlam say, I way down in the wee hours in left a bush and he no see nobody, so him no know what took place. But Mr. James was a very humble, decent man, so him not say nothing. So him now go home go tell him wife. So his wife said to him, say, all and all you do, one evening when you come home, you feel happy back upon him. Hey, hey. So, every hen a month, the Kingston people then used to come buy goods. So, this particular day, you know, he say, Jamesy, you know what you do? Go and left me. Because me can't bother with for my miserable wife. And that he use as the complaint all the while, you know. So, James he say, all right then, me know we see you tomorrow morning, which is the Friday morning. Because at the day the people them are going to come. So, because you know, you have some people come and market pan Thursday, some Friday, some on go for Saturday. So now, James, you know, say all right then. And when he gone, me dear ma, when he reach up a phone, he decide to whap it back. Fi go see what happen a bush. Kay? He kinda the suspect Mr. Hoodlam, you know. But he not say nothing, he keep it to himself. I mean, dear ma, when he go and say her right now, He want to go see what happen in the bush. As he reach at the bush mouth, there goes Mr. Hoodlam hand up in the air with the machete. Fi chop down the nicest plantain where the man want to sell to the market people them. Mr. James say, eh? Then let me ask you something. You know, have your property over there, so, and this a property over here, so for me, where you do for me property, I chop down my plant and when me want to sell to the market people them. Eh? The man say, no, no, I no chop me, I go chop a plant. I look me there, I look pan it, I say, what a way look good. It look better for me, them over for me property. No, man, me never go chop it down. Then tell me no. How am I doing my shit in a hand if him nobody that go chop down the man plan? And me say, Mr. James, eh? Mr. James say, you little brute, you, eh? And that you a do, eh? When you know say the people them are go come fi come buy goods, and that you do, eh? And you are the thief, and you are the thief, and you are chop down me plantain and me banana, eh? After you have me one whole night sleeping and me grung fi catch a thief, and you are the thief, you Mr. Hoodlam are the thief, Mr. Hoodlam, and you are the thief, hey! Me say, Hoodlam, eh? And you are the thief, you two thief, eh? Me and you are coming like brother, and we go and grown every day and come home back every day, and this year do to me, and this year do a thief me plant na me banana, I make it look like say a stranger company farm con thief. You is a thieving wretch, you thief, you thief. Me dear man. But fancy you always have story. Always have story to tell. Eh? But that never sound good. Never sound good at all, at all. Eh? Mr. Hoodlam a big thief. Eh? No man, if I in a them your time ya, then charge him for pray the last thief. But I threw a back then make him get away with it. But I know God was seeing him. He cannot hide from God. Okay, alright, then a year. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.